A new video released by the Russian Ministry of Defense has once again drawn attention. This time, the focus is on a railway train in the Zaporizhzhia region. In the footage, thick smoke can be seen rising from the front section of the train. The Russian MOD claims that Geran drones struck a train allegedly carrying Ukrainian military cargo. However, as always, we need to separate official claims from independently verified facts. At this moment, the exact location, the contents of the train, and the extent of the damage have not been independently confirmed. So let us examine the event calmly and carefully. What is seen in the video? In the footage, a train can be seen traveling along an open railway line. The camera appears to come from a reconnaissance drone. At the front of the train, a large plume of smoke is visible. The Russian MOD describes the target as a military echelon, a term commonly used for a train transporting troops or military equipment. Railways play a crucial role in logistics, especially when it comes to moving heavy equipment, ammunition, and supplies across long distances. For that reason, railway lines often become a strategic element in modern warfare. But from the available footage, we cannot visually confirm what the train was carrying.
Вагоном, блядь.
Вагоном ні.
Завтра вагон там.
When and where? According to the official Russian MOD statement, the incident is linked to the Zaporizhzhia region in southern Ukraine. The statement was published on July 20th, 2026. However, the exact time of the strike was not specified in detail. Neither was the name of the station, city, or the precise coordinates of the location. This means that the available information remains limited to the Russian official statement and the footage they released. There has been no independent confirmation that the train was actually carrying military cargo, nor is there verified information regarding the operational impact of the strike. How the strike was carried out? The Russian MOD states that Geran drones were used in the attack. Geran drones are known as long-range strike drones frequently used by Russia against infrastructure and logistical targets. According to the Russian claim, the strike was directed at the locomotive or the front section of the train. The stated objective was to disrupt supply lines heading towards the front line. If a locomotive is disabled, the entire train can be brought to a halt, and that could slow down logistical distribution along that railway route. But once again, caution is necessary, because the claims regarding the success of the strike, the type of cargo, and its operational consequences have not been independently verified. This incident highlights how railway networks remain a vital part of modern warfare. Not only are frontline positions targeted, supply routes that support operations behind the lines are also considered strategically important. Now, I would like to invite you to think together. How significant do you believe attacks on logistical routes like this are in shaping the course of a conflict? Do they have a truly strategic impact, or is further evidence still required? Share your thoughts in the comments section. If you enjoy this kind of analysis, please support the channel by liking the video, subscribing, and activating the notification bell, so you will not miss future discussions on geopolitics and global conflict developments. And as a disclaimer, this video is based on publicly available information. Some details of this incident remain official claims from the parties involved and have not been independently verified. The purpose of this video is to provide analysis and information, not to promote violence or support propaganda from any side.
Вагоном, блядь.